So anyone has any question up to now?
I don't have.
Now I'm moving forward to like element query operators. Those are two types of operators are there. Another is exist, another is type. Okay. So one is exist, another is type. So what is exist? Like where you can see for the last field, means for the last record, last document, price field is not there, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
like that we can query we want to see those record which price is exist equal to true. That means we want to see those documents which is holding price, means price field. Means that price field is
Okay.
exist. So if I'm running, that 6 1 is not came. See, 1 2 3
Yes, because
4 5 came.
we
6 is
don't have price.
if I'm giving that vice versa, it false.
Then only 6 will
Then
come.
only that one coming.
So the-
Yes, yes.
Got it? Another is
Yes.
type, means like when you can see which are holding that, that means that those are strings.
Can't hear you.
Hmm? And
Can't
Can't
hear you,
hear you
bro.
properly.
you can't see.
We
Like
see
voice
that
is
we can't
breaking,
hear
like
you.
coming.
Your voice is breaking. Can't hear you properly.
We can't
Some
hear you. We
words
can
is
see
coming.
you.
Yeah, you are not visible.
Now you can hear me.
Yes, we can hear, but
Yes,
Yes,
yes. Can't see you.
Can't see.
You.
yeah.
Oh, sorry. Now you can see.
Yes.
So here you can see like which value is holding invert comma, that means those are strings and those are number or integer, you can say. Okay.
Yeah.
So first let me check there are any price is holding in string. This is not. One. How can I query? Okay, I'm inserting some other means more element over there. Okay. Products 2, 7, 8. Now you can see some prices are holding like string. Where is those? See here that first price is holding string. Okay, so now we can query like that way, like find that price which type is string. That means I'm talking about data type. So if I'm running again, it's showing. See, so this price is holding 799, this is string, and that price is also holding one element as a string. That's why it's returning these two. But
But the second price, 599 is only in string, and the another price
Yeah.
699, why it's displaying?
Any of them is holding string or not. So it's matched, so it's returned.
Okay. So
Alright.
that means and also as you have given price equals price colon 1, that means whichever price it's carrying, all the price it will show, no matter which,
Yes.
including the string 1.
Yeah.
So all the values have been displayed.
Yes.
I'm sharing one image, okay, where I will share on Facebook chat, okay, on the group only. You got it? In that images, you will get like type number, or you can say the tab allies. Allies means like I'm giving string. So replace of string, you can give 2 also. That 2 means if you are providing type 2, that means it is taking as a string.
Okay.
Didn't understand. Please tell once again.
Like here I'm giving, you saw that image, I already shared in that Facebook group.
Yes, yes.
So there you can see that type is there and there is type number and type ls. You can provide ls like that way string, or you can provide directly 2. If you're providing type 2, that means it will accept as a string because string number is true for MongoDB.
Okay, okay. Yeah, besides string, it is written 2. That means 2 means we are indicating to show the string.
Yes.
What is the double? What is the data type double?
Double means is more kind of float value, but more than float.
Huh?
Okay, sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. First thing, there are 2 types of integer number is there, right? One is which is holding
Yes.
decimal value, which are not holding decimal value. Which are not holding decimal value, those are integer. Which are holding
Yeah.
decimal value, those are float.
Float,
Float.
yes.
Take some memory from that data, from memory, it will take some memory. So double is kind of float, but it will provide more memory. It's like you have 2.22222, like a huge number after decimal.
Hmm.
You need more memory. So for that, then that time you need to use double.
That means that you can save a long value which is in point.
But for here, float is not there, only double is there. When you are using any
Yes.
floating value, then you need to use double. There is double, string, object, array, bin data, and object ID. Okay, that bool means boolean. Boolean means it's either true or either false. Date, now, regex. Regex means it's kind of matching patterns. You are learning JavaScript, I think maybe you will get like we are validating email, URL.
Yes.
Email is holding kind of patterns like @ that is there. So this is kind of regex. When you are searching, like you in that e-commerce also, you are searching with product name, right? On search bar, you are searching like Xiaomi is power bank, so it's returned all the power bank. So like that, this is kind of taking the regex, and it is searching on that regex only. Then JavaScript, int I will told integer. Then timestamp. Who already know, means work with JavaScript, they already know like their timestamp is kind of it's written one number, but that should be unique because every second the number is changing. Okay. Then long you can see it's showing like 64-bit integer. That means if you are providing with long means big value, means too much big. So that time you need to use 64-bit. Then decimal 128. Then minimum key and max. Okay. So those are data types. You need to remember those types. Okay. According to your requirement, when the requirements is come, then you need to just check from the Google and use that. Okay. So this thing also done. Okay. Now array query operators. Array query operators. There are 3 query operators is there. Means 3 query operators is there. The one is size. Then all, another is element match. size means you already got, like we are checking, like here I'm checking, like color is 4 and their color is 1. See, for this collection, for this document, that color is holding 4 value, but this color is holding 1 value in array, right? So according to that, we can query from products 2 collection which size is 2, color size is 2. Let's see any result. So this color is holding only 2 value.
Okay, means only 2 colors are containing.
That size is array of length. Okay, it will only work on array. Okay, next is all. Anyone guess what all will work? How all will work?
I think all will display well every single thing of
Every
When every
Like everything of the array, like every
here, that color which match with black and white means both 2 elements should be there. Means here white black is there, here also white black is there. That doesn't matter any other is there or not, but white and black both two value should be there in that array. Okay, so this is the result. So this is the all operator. Last one is element match. Element match, anyone can say?
a particular like
value
color.
Yeah.
Suppose this
Value we
color
have to
being black,
match.
yeah, that only should match, not all.
So we can query on that array field with that element match. That means like
Dollar element match there, if you give only blacks, so only which
element,
array like
that is element match, which color is matched with black and white. This, so if I'm running, okay, element match does not needs an object. White. This is not color. Yeah, okay. Okay, price. We can query with price. So this is the price. Here, greater than equal to 5, 600 and 800. Anyone got?
Yes.
means that particular element which is having greater than 600 price and less than 800 price, like if any element or any
These two record that price is holding one array, right? See, so it is matched like element. I need those elements which are matched is greater than 600 and less than 800.
Less than.
These two is matched.
price.
So there are some values are there which is matched with this criteria. Got it?
yes.
So up to here it's done. Size all elements. Now I'm moving forward to short limit. Who know about pagination?
Which knows about
Pagination. That means we are switching one page to another page.
On the
pagination? Yeah, pagination we
We
know.
worked on that. How it's worked that one?
You know
Yeah, I mean
how it's working.
No.
from backend.
From the database.
Backend don't know.
Yeah, we already created like pagination for many projects, more already designed and color also. So there, like we are providing those value like 1, 2, 3, then dot dot dot, then next page, kind of, right? This type of design we already did. So pagination, how it is working? When I am requesting for page 1, and also we are providing some limit, means how many records we want to see in a page 1, means in every page. As an example, like 10 records for each page. So page 1, first 10 records will come. When someone is click 2, then another second 10, 3 after 10, 4 after 10, like that it's coming. That is kind of pagination. So for that, how we are working, we are just, first thing is limit. Like here, if I am giving the limit here, like limit 2, that means it will return only first 2 results. Got it?
Oh.
See, it's only 2, not 3. Okay, that means limit means when its request is come, we need 2 limits. So that means it will return only 2. So like that way, pagination also work. When someone is click on the single first page, it will also throw I need 10 records. So 10 will fetched. Okay. Another one is, you just remember this record, this document. Okay. See that ID is 10. Just remember that. Now I am skip 1. Okay. Now run. Okay. Oh, sorry. What you got?
Okay, the
So the 10
number
got
10 is
removed.
skip.
Oh.
So 10 I am not getting, right? So first 10 is skip,
Hmm.
is coming, is that cursor is go to the next. Okay. So like that we are calculating in the backend. First one, that means we are not gonna skip any documents. We are only limit will work. Okay. When second page,
Yes.
second means page number into limit. That means 2 into
Up
10,
to 20.
20. We need to throw.
20.
Okay.
Yes.
So like that we are
And skip 10.
pattern here. First, so when second page will come, that means keep page number minus 1 into limit. This is a formula. Page number minus 1 into limit. Page number 2, that means 2 minus 1 minus 1 into 10, limit 10. That means output, what is the output? 10. That means we 10 records. Then page number 3, 3 minus 1. Output 2. 2 into 10. Limit is 10. That means result will be 20. That means
20.
skip now 20. Page 3, skip 30. Page 4, skip 40. But limit always should be fixed. 10, 10, 10, 10. And also pagination also we already also did, like we want to in the data table already you saw. In the data table there another field is there, like 20 per records, 20 per page, 30 per page. That means we are fixing the limits. In a page, how
Limit.
yes, say.
Limit will be 2. I mean, for here.
Right. In the backend, I told that limit will be 10. Here I am limiting to there because we don't have that much of data. But for you are considering okay, I am giving one example. It should be
No, I'm telling that if the limit is 2, there must be 2 data is showing.
yeah, but there are no data is there. That's why it's written only 1.
Oh.
There are 2 records are there. So first keep first one, so it's 1. If any records will like see there, if I'm giving the example, they are from ID 1. So we started from ID 1. So I'm
Well,
what the criteria is there. So it's showing limit 2, right? That means 3 is showing. See, but skip that means 1 has
yeah.
skipped.
Yes.
Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Like
Yes.
that pagination will work. Another method is short. Short already also is short by highest to price with price like highest to lowest, lowest to highest. So that every time that obviously there are two types of order. One is ascending, another is descending. Right? So if we are working with sorting, so here I am sorting. So I'm not going to skip now. I just use short. So I'm providing short price equal to 1.
It will only display the price.
That this is the short. In the short, I need
No, price. Okay.
Price will be shown.
The price will be shown because find the name color price is 1.
Yeah. 1 means it will be written ascending order. If you are providing -1, 1 means ascending, -1 means
Oh,
descending.
Running. Okay.
It's sorted by price, ascending order.
low to high, high to low.
Now it's starting from 6. All records are there, but it's starting from 6. Okay. Then 12. Then 5. It's ascending. 6. Then 10. Like that is ascending. So if you are providing -1, then it will be descending. Now 7 is came
Got
first.
it.
799. Got it?
Yes.
So this is the short method. So you already got it, like how those page actually work, how we are sorting, how we are filtering, how we are picking.
Yeah, for me, this pagination thing, just can you explain once again?
Okay.
At that time, actually,
So before that, I want to say one thing. If you are active, then fine. If not, then also fine. One thing I want to share, like in this session, we are also promising like we are completing that update and delete. So I'm thinking in the next session we will move forward. That is okay, or
Yeah.
because for both I am okay with that. I don't have any issue. Depends on you. Like you want to. I'm thinking that read operation is too much. Means from your home. Means from your home you just.
Your voice
your
is
voice is
totally
not
breaking.
coming.
Not clear.
Hello.
Actually.
Increase the mic volume.
Arey, Michael. Hey, now you can see. So you can have. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
It's coming like you are talking from a hill, top of the hill, and we are actually standing down of the hill.
Echoing and all.
Yeah. So that's why I'm thinking that update and delete operation, all those stuff I will showcase on next session. So is it okay for you? Because I don't have any issue. If you want now, then I
Okay
can.
for us.
Okay.
Okay for us.
Okay.
Already 2, 3. So
Yes.
like you guys having plan.
Just make me understand the pagination thing once.
That I will. Not an issue. That I will. Before that, I want to just share. Amor, you are okay with that? Vishal. Okay, so I am adding these 2 parts, update and delete, for the next session. Okay. The next session will be, but before that next session, just complete all those things and note all the question. Note down all the question what you will arise in this means between these 2 sessions. Okay. Because the next session,
You providing the recording, na?
yeah. In the next session, those sessions will be like for advanced level. Okay. Like there we are learning like for how Zomato will work, how Ola will work. That means for Ola, you are when you are searching for any car, it's taking your geospatial data, means it's searching your area zone only, that cars. For restaurant also, it's searching only within some diameter, it's searching the restaurants and it's within the result. Those requests within 15 kilometers, some kind of. For Ola also, which cars are hold, means which car is present in near about 15 kilometer, 10 kilometer, it's showing only those cars only, or it's trying to connect with those cars only. So how that will work? that I'm gonna show in the next session. So those will be like some kind of advanced one. So that's why I'm saying, like, before that session, prepare these steps and note all the questions, because before means for next session, first we will clear or means doubt clearing session will be happen, means question and assignment check, all those steps. Then we will move to the advanced one. Okay. Okay. So now I'm coming back to the pagination part. So pagination part I'm talking about, like there are two methods are there. One is skip, another is limit. Okay. So when, like you already saw, there are some 1, 2, 3, 4 that pages there. So when someone is click on like 2 number page, someone is click page number 2. So it is so that API is hit on the back end, like page number is 2. So when you are getting number 2, that means that rule is page number -1 into limit. That limit is kind of static for you now. For now, that limit is always 10. Okay. So that means page number is 2 -1. That means 2 - 1 1 into limit minus 10. That means how many records you need to skip? 10 records.
10 records.
So that query should be like find, then dot, then skip 10, then limit 10. Got it? Means you need to skip 10. So when like page number 5, that means 5 - 1 means 4 into limit means 10 equal to 40. That means you need to
You are skipping 40 records.
So like that pagination will go.
Hmm.
Got it?
Understood.
So up to now session is done for today. So you have any question, then you can ask now.
Let us go through each and everything from the very first, then we will be noting down. Again, we will ask you.
Just won't ask every day kind of. I already told in the next session first we will clear all the doubts.
Yeah, doubts.
So
On that.
just note down a paper or any doc anywhere.
Yeah.
Note down and then in that session you just ask me.
Okay.
Java, if you have any question you can ask on the console log. Me or Ghosh, anyone can anyone will reply. Okay. Got it? So
Yes.
I'm ending the meeting for now. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye everyone. Thank you for joining.
Bye.
You will be sharing the recordings by today, right?
Yeah, probably. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.